Okay, guys, ala baraka bake. We are back again. Alal hakubo yenye mole kumandi. Sometimes nibe life mole niye kumandi. They insist calling you, and then normally niye mo call WhatsApp na ring off ya call katanga ring off. I think it's better ya bula. But when they keep calling you all the time, I can call ya bakele. For you continue. So honorable Madam Kaka, because this is a point me alonko akumata baba kele min blama nyun kaka ten ko solo sandeng anim molle kelo ke nyola anim molle findita nyola anim molle be num party killing mel alonko bi alay wol mabe bi be député bun kono andung anim wolle finto keta menti wala nyindi ko pour ka falendro ke na loi bu ko kono but bi solo sandeng fele amantara caring but bi wo mo dole be caring na bi na lon ko honorable Fatoumatta Jawara akita moto me ya lonko anin solon sande nyole fintita nyola pour ka je ko loi bu ko to sama nan pour na karre fayola bundala karola bari bimbe nyin kala men na wolum nyindi ko fo kabire nyin bilo e ba sama kan député bun kono Fatoumatta Jawara be jela ba famantara na lon ko Fatoumatta Jawara la karola e bu kalaf ka diamu je bake na lon ko e bu kalaf ka diamu mo kunkilun la ko la bake bar ñemu député bu ngala kool an ñemu banko la koolit be laf la doron ya fa molé NPP député wol jumal la be député bu kono bi pour Gambien kool c'est souté bari ya Gambien dongul mel ya lon ko wolle be diaspora ya wolle bal ka karto fay bar bari solo sandeng me ya lon ko bi niamoy Gambie be démocratie sok la jam bi niamoy président baro niaje président baro be kala jang ñadon koti alata kola solo sandeng afana niyo be jele lafta men na wala ñundi ko ya fa Gambie dungule député juma lebe député bun kon aning Fatoumatta Jawara be muntole fo as ay fayim biloye ba faman fayim biloye anim modol mel ya lonko ibenu UDP le bi ibota UDP be NPP lafta yawo beta yo be ñambas ñi signa ki la ñola
sunko baraka bake comme ya aytan ni ñame aman kentala principle oti pour ka diamu individual nam sol la kolla naji ko mo morandem dimole carte o fay warata ye nominate even si wo bonta dalilo le kan digita ko you need to tap that pocket yes tamba je dalilo men kanna wala mo ka banko dimol ko janga yandi banko dimol la pina ko mendi yawke so ntela very on view is that ko mo morandi e ko men kewoto ila banko dimol beje kam adim Gambian sa working me alon ko they are positive dembe ko ye honorable Jawara men ko jinka honorable Jawara I'm not going to talk about her but then intame itali no wala nyindi ko ani NPP ko le carte o pay nyolale ani e carte o pay black le because NPP député wala because president me ya nominate is the NPP president. So njikita ko be kankeline and wo kankeli ya men fanan ka voting I reflect on the voting because aliye voting ke blackline to deny diaspora from voting but me an yoku ya kabiri dia muta wala nyindiko I could remember very well kabiring the official funeral of Solo Sandeng Alamani Manin Kafar Kelai at Never Again Arch. The proposed name Never Again Arch. Kabirin Adima Mohammed Sandeng, Kabira Bala family deliberation of speech in Dikan. I made a new one I quote, my father will never rest. My father will never sleep until a new electoral law is passed. Until an electoral law is changed in this country.
Wala ñu mfama da sinola mfama da sinola mfama da amin mfama da sinola ata tankunna
kodin ali yin carte fay loi kurma me alon abenyim banko kan fonin aliya fali ali carte fay loi kendo nati carte fay loi me def pa niobo fonare carte fay loi kendo nati aliya la nyim banko kan I'm very much so today Mohammed will never sleep today. I'm pretty much sure of that. I'm pretty much sure all the genuine Gambians and other people will never sleep today who have had for solo, and the family of Sunday, and the UDP family, and every genuine Gambian will never sleep today. And Mohammed said this in his speech. Everybody can go back to his speech and retrieve this back. But many deputy mo fanan kono comme yaay tan ni ñamin NPP le Karola ngakilo semen ni manoje nga kalamta ko honorable Ablaye Cissé deputy bu ngo kono le bi who is a member of NPP for all Yundum nga kalamta ko Lower Fuladu West fanan be deputy bu ngo tole menkata honorable Jibim Baloti nga kalamta fanan ko Jara is be deputy bu ngo tole menketa honorable Haruna Bariti nga kalamta fana ko nyamina is be deputy bu ngotale menketa honorable Dawda Dieng nga kalamta fana ko Lowa nyomi be deputy bu ngotale menketa honorable Tamsir Chanti nga kalamta fana ko member for Jimara be deputy bu ngotale menketa honorable Esa Kontati nga kalamta fana ko honorable Eba Jallo be deputy bu ngotale menketa honorable Jara Isti Jara Central Rada nga kalamta fanan ko député bu ngoto tumannabe jele menkata honorable Falli Korati nga kalamta fanan ko député bu ngoto honorable Tekubabe jele menkata passé constituency nominated member Kebalam Fofana nominated member Fatou K Jawara nominated member Sirius Kenjai aning honorable Yunus Tabari Honorable Yunus Abba, même Kian Central Independent Men Cross Capeta to NPP, Wofana Mbejele, Wofana Kapeo Baile with them, Honorable Almami Jiba Foni Kansala, Honorable Amikoli Foni Berefet, Honorable Padembo Sane, Foni Bondal, Honorable Kebatumanin Sane, Foni Jarol, will be any more Konale. Aning honorable Biram So Nyamina West will lemu ñu multi many alonko bi wol le carte o fay against diaspora voting comme une constitution ñi nganyam aning honorable Seni Jawara honorable Lowa Salum aning honorable Alajimbo Opa Salum honorable Samba Jallo Nyamina Dankunku, honorable Alaji Babu Sabah Sanjal, honorable Sankundamfa of how to call it, honorable Sankundamfa of Iliasa constituents of Anambejele. So these are people many along with deputy Moto Ngakilo Mutadab.
So abeko msafo député along ko NPP député omu ekeda molti meya along ko Gambia dingulu mel ya lonko ibe sirin diaspora tuwabu du anin banku dol mel ya lonko ibe Afrika kono mel be sirin Gambia bantala akobe ko ni MPP dibitawlu ñulle Gambia dingulu bali pour kana kartaw fay ñullem dibitol mel ya lonko ye solo sande mbali pour ka tenkun ala kaburo kono ñullem dibitol mel ya lonko ye Gambia jamfa ñu lemu dibitol mel ya lonko e maylaw ila carte fay dingolu me buña e me respect ñu lemu dibitol mel ya lonko ibe siren dibité bun kono le president baro lefta menna e kawolake abe ko president baro le ya foye ko alkana nyimbilo pass abe ko NPP la bulo mu menti wala ñindi ko ibe MPP ko semmentu yend la ñu ñaming bara manke pour kalo Gambia dingol allié la moy. But honorable, akumaya de bake fana. Pour ya fo molye, jumal na libe député bun kono bi, mel ya lonko wolle fana katro fay pour ka je ko nyimbilo nyim pra tambi.
Many katro fay pour ka je ko ñu close ñi membe diam kan diaspora voting ñi menna because below ñim fon ala close sol siata bakele. Mentara for close chemolu, but then Mamfota close tansabo for Mamfota no found to sign thing. Ya family you below you found the pass no and you session on you. Even next session mamira be pass lano due to the controversy of the bill. So many fana ya carte on you fay pour you below you pour ka jeko that's pour a carte fay ay tambi mbastad la Honorable Swaibu Toure, chairperson of co-chair, many be Fenga Kampuru belonging ka report nyille. Honorable Swaibu Toure, Honorable Madi Tiste, Honorable Swaibu Toure, Wuli East, Honorable Madi Sinte, Serakunda West, Honorable Tumanjai, Banjul South, Honorable Suleiman Sao, Central Badibu, Ofanaya Avotle for diaspora to have a voting right. Honorable Kebaro, Ofanaya Votle for diaspora to have a voting right. Honorable Asan Toure, Ofanaya Votle for diaspora to have voting right. Honorable Lamin J. Sane, Brikama South, Honorable Asan Toure Bakau, Brikama South, Lamin J. Sane, Ofanaya Votle for diaspora to have voting right. Honorable Honorable Fatu for Sanemento, for Sanemento, Ofanaya Votle for diaspora to have voting right. Honorable Yaya Sanyang for Latakunda Sabaji, Ofanaya Votle for diaspora to have voting right. Honorable Umar Jamme Jato for Janjambure constituency, Ofanaya Votle for diaspora to have voting right. Honorable Abdullah Njai for Banjul Central, Ofanaya Votle for diaspora to have voting right. And Honorable Lamin Sise Kia West constituency, Ofanaya Votle for diaspora to have voting right. And Honorable Musa Baji, Ofanaya Taki Resle, but then, Abedu Nabdorong Ala Taki Res, Atari Inada Kontiro Bank. You understand? So Matara Taki count, but then he voted for diaspora to have a voting right. But then Atara Kontiro Nata Bank, Imatala voting count, but he also voted. And just unfortunate that his vote was invalid.
What about Honorable Mohamed Kanta?
Honorable Mohamed Ba was not in Parliament. Honorable Alaji Dabo, Honorable Mohamed Ba for Banjul North was not in Parliament. Honorable Alaji S. Dabo, Banjul North, Brikama North was not also in Parliament. Okay, so these members among United Democratic Party members and Honorable Kante, independent for Butumbala, was not also in Parliament. So these members, as I told you, we are not in Parliament. Honorable Sirif Sar is not in Parliament for Jeswang. Honorable Amadou Kamara for Nyanija was not in Parliament. Honorable Bileji Tunkara for Kantora constituency was not also in Parliament. And Honorable Maimuna Sise, nominated member, was not also in the Parliament.
But I understand that Honorable Suleiman Jambe voted for yes.
Yes.
Honorable Suleiman Jambe for Bundung, APRC. After that, multi me alongo. I sembo di la pour diaspora katro fay.
Exactly.
So abeko Honorable Sirif Sar benum Parliament famantraje.
Amantara no Parliament. Honorable Sirif Sar is not in Parliament.
Okay. So abeko Honorable Suleiman Jambe lebeje bari ay katro fay le pour ka jeko diaspora ko le katro fay.
Yes, because Honorable Suleiman Jambe is the chairperson of the National Assembly Select Committee for local government, IEC and Ombudsman. Honorable Suleiman is the co-chair to the report from which we are trying to do this committee of whole house.
Okay, but in their report, it will they recommend diaspora voting pro IK.
Diaspora voting has never been, that has always been untouchable on there, because that has been explicitly mentioned in the bill. So they have neither recommend for either the expansion, that is the removal. I recommend the poor way, but sorry that me angle constant come back. It all in a committee ma recommend pour diaspora voting for Abibola Jene Fate Bola, which means it sounds normal to them from their consultation. Ye banku dol menyininka, ye civil society menyininka, ye IEC from menyininka, they consulted with the IEC. Ninkum will be agreed al kajako diaspora nyandeka karto file. So wala mutul be load lade, and I only maintain as a committee. I respect that view. I pay him that respect, and I want to tell him thank you very much for that.
So abeko Dawda la foko ministre la foko anna tara nyim bilo tambita abe kolyale pour AIC nyim pour AIC diaspora ko sementu ndia nyo pour yakarto fay abeko umukule me yalon ko amansoto.
It will be very much surprising new for that because Minister Fangwe diaspora voting proposal ayajele ye constituent demarcation as proposal ayajele. Minister has seen that one because Kabir Wolben told command Lantol Beo Jibela, Ministry of Justice representative Solbeje to look at that as a parliament. And the Ministry of Justice and Representative Sol to come and look at that bill at the level of consultation. The moment you come through the delegation of the Minister of Justice. You understand? So I come coming right and it has been premeditated, it has been preconceived, it has been cooked, very, very well cooked. And anybody in the NPP is part of it. And Gambia Nulu, I didn't come in the diaspora voting Balia, and in diaspora constituency demarcation Balia, Bankudol consulted the minute of Senegal Parliament and other parliament. In a diaspora, you see a sort of parliament. Ntola Senegal West African representative for me along with Senegalese parliament column. I've been in Gambia Jane Banjul. But he was a member of parliament in Senegalese National Assembly, representing Gambian citizens, Senegalese citizens in the Gambia and other African countries. Cote d'Ivoire for an area, Wolo Banku, all for a representative. United States of representative. Scandinavians were representatives. Arab will for a representative in the parliament. Because it can contribute what bankola fankor come light and dilanyame na bankola GDP na gross domestic product kemo kola tan sababe mental 4 billion fula diaspora le ko be contribute to la GDP kana mol bali mol ko contribution sifa kan to la economy to kana mol bali ka kapte o fay imagine aram ke GDP ka family jelle balu ndi nyum banko kan welcome mo jelle karandi nyum banko kan to the University of the Gambia. Welcome more jelle karandi to the Gambia College. Munatina Walter right to la carte of fay. Munatina ICT wala constituency demarcate la so that more you will represent in parliament. Ye diamu toyala memo la korea kwati yele ambassador men yalan ko be bankolka they hold them to account for their failure of taking care of the responsibility the affairs of those people. It is coming out for nyamin kule me yalan ko akoleata bakal billahi wallahi ko to ke silfo. Kado koke in this 6th legislature. Call men kakeje a jawyata bakel hadama ni sonno mo fong bukanira no. Comme Umar ya itani la nyame ka Umar la point ka reiterate ka itani mo lako Umar mo molti melon ko parliament every issue solo Gambia non la nyanto ni Gambia no ko always akante communicate le. Honorable Madi bis for Honorable Madi Jobate ay message o sen nyale ay message o sen nya message o sen adu ngalan tan bisu do wara sama ni Umar fana mediam lalal nyum mol ka lonko parliament law blow menti banko hanin ka jilo menta bankol kan loan nita loan ta nola for parliament let us some pour ka loan nyinta for parliament that ratify if in the grants sol be qatar na budget wala kono grant me la sakata and budget of parliament la ka approve nim banko mo ben sadala ko la parliament la ka approve ni ben donta la ko la parliament la ka approve ni mo ko do fana approve wi ni tada yo kolol kenyaaw ñarandi ñama ya spend ben kul parlement la ka bulé noma foka jube nga kol men landi pour ñamati ñaba parlement la ka be jube so banko mo ñata ka ko parlement man ko dula damen talon ko mo randi ndoro ye karto fa ya fayta sije because banko tiñara wala mu ila jati kende ala mu ila kara wala mu ila jole mu kamem min ila everything bele mati
ila jata kende ala mu ila ku belam dibide bon Omar mira Omar Kansai Omar ye honorable moyle abe dulal mil fokan abe kolyal mil fokan ay dibitol mel yalonko wolle kada dibitol mel yalonko ye bang kanyum bilo nyunta ka sonala honorable Omar yemina soto kam ibe men folo nyin dibitol mel yalonko bi ya tolu bali ye diaspora ngol bali Gambia na fulo Gambia fanko na fulo men ka bonang diaspora bi wala siata anintol fon la seno bundala carotte yemina so be men fola nyim dibitoli mel ya lonko bi ya gambia dingul bali mel ya lonko be sir gambia bantala
comme inde be mu fala drum mede jing fala comme honorable ya fni min drum inde be mu fele wolen ko bi munke onyon jam fa man soto jam fan tunya yoleke tilimbaliya yoleke wasabaliya yoleke andum imanyinke mola yinke fon le kande be mu fele wolen ko be nyim place to bi ye fon ken yesa no sa député wolti etel molle carte faye cabinet man carte faye adamo man carte faye ane liba kukundin ke kan wo parliament anyanta tamalin ila molla kawnlela so bimba fale ko ye munke fisirita ya yoleke yela molle den yela molle bodela molle koto mu yalan ko be jang wala be diaspora because ni manke domin diaspora da matar ni mumunati today from the for in our constitutional building in our democratic consolidation these are not big player to our democracy wala nyim fana mu jam fa dolati na democracy la tamandiri nyala because ni ajibe Gambia manke satiri mi yalon ko hani say ni ku mesen do mi yalon ko katari ñoo dendela wala ba fara ko tel manski kanyinke del manski kanyinke o manke ko nyaati so ko ndo nyande mo fule wulen ko hanama di yamu kawalti and then come for reality ni la kawdi mo la yela kartewol dila e nyanta tamala ni wala o kawlela amanke kawdi mi yalon ko abetela jifol fandila wala abe mo kilingo nyaaji o fitala mu yalon ko ikiyana ko wala tulo place do fo faw isi happy to back comme ya fo ko e del mo jama biye fifth parliament mantar nu jede anon this seventh parliament bilale ite taraje e nini molle be nyaati na nyola luolum e fi mira sama fananna anu yalo ne politicien no comme ndel mu politico karan e ka fo jadin ter ka dum politique karan ko ka fo ha politicien no mun diare akole fo ani ngabe mun kele mankele o manke to nyaadi wo mun tella politicien no la kuma kan wala bi ke mabo to nya fo baliya nyin to nya tamandi baliyala ka tilim baliya tilim molla mu yalan ko e place dila comme il a venu bimbe ko stade kandron bi la mini nyimul be to ko yande mu yalan ko e kadro fay ka fo hani diaspora te voting bi ni la bi sino no nyaade ka aye na famu ne la ete ela dimbayal ela musul mun be Gambia wole voters kaso ka karto fay kaje ko mansa mun be la nyantol sambala yo karto fay wa ete wandi dingu ni wandi bama ni wandi fama mu yalan ko asinte da bantala banko ka kata kato ke ka banko yiri wandi kala dimbayal yiri wandi e ko man nyanto so ka karto fay yo la ni sila dimalka ko timbali ya ni betrayal to the highest level lady so mbe mun fola drum wolen ko banko dingu luolum nte luolum non de luolum min lamin ka wadi be de luolum de lab national assembly member na député loto député bungo kono e ka ile di gambi no le ko atel malal be mun kala are quartier o fay jama tolle ale quartier o fay wasa balole ale quartier o fay jamfan tumolle wonya daka ken tele karambale ko one of the biggest way of accountability is through the ballot box. And then I will tell one thing to the parliament, so diaspora's power, both financially and morally, to influence election or assemble or back a diaspora near Dadum Gambia election mundia the Olympic Academy Senegal election follow. They got diaspora voting GB Ibanako, honey diaspora sake the trajectory of their electoral process. So memang for diaspora sign kelole bentelina digital team. Na jibe 2027 diaspora la sembo kabo 2026 kala 2027 mbarabe mun kala kaje ko mol muye mbalika karto fay bi ndey mol be jamga mu yalon ko e kam fara ko be tiketol bugla ni voter registration sira e be Senegal be da carte e da voter registration kala ani be ko do gila be da karto fay gamel be o tembol do say so ni te yamera e ninkere mo be ta kino ba ni ame ninkere ka mol bali mbe karto mbe tiketol sanna mbe ko do juro bina mbe karto fay la jare nyami ni mol bali jang be bulla bina so ni mu tilim bali yalti ni mu tajiri yalti adon diaspora be kelo win le kama kelo yalan ko ati wasila so
yeah okay Mida Mulamin Sise Kanjang, because this is a question me along ko mole a sevenye abe nyen karo ki kam bakele Honorable Mulamin Sise nyen ka mena ko fo fere do be jebang me ya lonko in particular section about diaspora voting for fair dobe jeban dibide bunkono as a murno nyamen bang fo as keno bang anatra man keno dibide bunkono mbita Omar kankotanke ka Omar nyinenka fo atol meli alon ko albe civil society fo atol fana alman sembo soto bang o fero tal la bang pour ka muru kiti bunkono kotanke al nala muru kiti bunkono what is going to be the resource now bari person follow nyim be mo lamina nyinkala a honorable member for Kia West mbe nyinkala fo fero dobe jela bang pour nyim bilo nyimbe murano nyame
okay fero membe je wala nyintiko in fact if you should go back and Supreme Court ruling Bembul Janne on Bakar Bunjadabo case. Okay? I will send you that. Supreme Court ruling Benjamin, this is challengeable in the court, in the Supreme Court, and they will interpret the constitution for them. And it is challengeable and it is not lost. You understand? So they can equally do that. This can be challengeable in the court. Any citizen, even I itself, I can challenge this in the court as a NAM. And others people support. Any NAM can do that, others support. Civil society, any individual can do that, other people support it. To look at the interpretation of this thing at the court, to take, the clerk of the National Assembly and the Speaker of the National Assembly to court about this case. Anybody could do that one. And it is not lost. But Komenko, Umaria Aitan Ninyaming, how to call it election law amanchako na pass at the end of the day the law is done. It can be amended, but how do we amend this? Hey, the decision to govern any country lies in the hands of the people. Let's change that to the vote, and from today we can tomorrow morning, because the law for amanke law to follow. So let's take our time. Because we are only at the consideration stage. Not for the third reading follow. The consideration stage will follow. So if the third reading, unless that law comes into force, when it comes into force, one can challenge it to the court. But then right now it has not become a law yet. A man can law to follow. And in getting the consideration of Anambana, Nitefana warrant of deputy Nyanto Sodele, put a proposal, okay, for us to rescind our decision through a motion. To lay a motion, you submit so that we rescind the decision of denying diaspora to vote. Now we allow them to vote. That also is allowed. Just like Kabimbe Anti-Corruption Commission below Nifankakan, illicit enrichment, wala minte ko kepan fankan li bankola na flow me alonko, ikamempo unexplained wealth. Ita tenkan nula ko ya na flow nyin soto nyameng. Oto mbafula ko oto ya soto nin kuri yalla, waranto bankola na flow lemu. Kabimbe Fenkakan, nga kela ko ni wobe membul unexplained wealth, ibina li ye fan clear in the IEC kan. Because man yo ke anti-corruption below nyin kono, wala minte ko mo mi alonko ni ila joma mensi intame man sakunda do ko waranto tamu député o waranto ministre di kan lu ko do ngabbu jam fulalo waranto ngakku bal nti nyanta lu na nagaro ko do nyi asena ta nka business o ke waranto ndi malita waranto mo ko ni tam na fo anti corruption commission ko nyi ko do nyi amang na jota sila bari nka business o ke waranto ndi mo la na fulo waranto mo karle na fulo mun ka jibaay bari imam so wala kabirim imuruntana honorable Sidin Jai ne o proposal odi pour ka jago that illicit enrichment no bondi anti-corruption commission below nyun kono so that anti-corruption de mo nyin kan la pour ka foy ko ila nyi nafulo nyi yasu ngadi to nyanto so na andu wala beje so ntol fana yo power to the skill to do the same thing, but are we going to get the number? No, we will not have the number to vote. Even another Nasambaranje in the number sotonola to bring back IEC voting. The only thing we could do is to go back to Supreme Court, for Supreme Court to interpret that for the National Assembly to allow the diasporans to vote.
But Honorable, Nindula Kumata Bakele, Nindula Kumata Bakele, Najan Koiko Nindula Kumata Bakele, because najele bakar bunja dabo ya atambano dibite kiti bun kono le kiti bun ko diaspora nyanda katro fayla bari naje ko afele diaspora ansa iman sembo so pro katro fay so wala atina ko yoko yamira ana atara dibite bun kono fal ya do you think it's possible kaje ko nying diaspora katro fay
if Supreme Court made a ruling on the same point, I think an Attorney General should be a very professional and ethical legal personnel, not to do anything contrary to that Supreme Court ruling.
Okay.
Not to do anything contrary to that Supreme Court ruling. That's all. Let me tell you that. But they are prepared. They are prepared to be part of people, many along, and they have demonstrated constantly and consistently that they are not serving the interests of the Gambian people. Supreme Court made a ruling, and the AG knows that one. Minister of Justice knows that one. Everyone else knows. In fact, during that session, before we are done with that, one legal officer from National Assembly sent that Supreme Court ruling to the National Assembly 6th legislature page, which is the most serious National Assembly platform. We have many platforms, but the most serious National Assembly platform where no single joke is sent except for business. This legal person sent the Supreme Court ruling on Bakar Bunjadabo's case at the 6th legislature for members to see and reference. But they still ignored it. And I am sure that the AG knows that better than you and I. It is deliberate. They are just being blunt about this. The only way, come on.
Okay, honorable, because it's almost getting, we have only 3 minutes now because never program about 12 o'clock. Meta Omar Kandrong, maybe for 2 minutes, and then Mamurle can put yellow closing remark. Yediamu Gambia Dingolier, Yediamu Diaspora Dingolier, Yediamu Ilam College member Sole. That's going to be your final remark. And Yediamu Masakunda Fane, Yediamu International Organization Fane. But Janim Bidadron, Omar, your final remark. Bayang afele na dibitolu wolu yela katoke. Zavoko yela katoke. Pulka jeko jimbilo ni ay kambi atol diaspora ko la le katofa diaspora ko le katofa. Bannaje ko la katapolo ni o mombe no follow. Omar, what is your final take about this whole situation?
Yes, so not final statement kala mundi wolenko. This is not the end. You manka bandula coming on for it. The Kerolo will be Keromi and Contel diaspora and Gambia will be in that make sure go up to the last minute because the constitution the constitution has made it very clear. If you look at section 26, subsection AB, have all make it very clear that every citizen have a right to take part in the conduct of public affairs, and B said very clear that vote and stand for election in genuine periodic elections for public office, which shall not be conducted by universal and equal sovereign and by secret ballot. Additional section, all persons shall be equal before the law, meaning that every citizen or individual in the republic is equal under the law. Then are the Gambians residing residing in Gambia more equal than the Gambians in the diaspora? So like Honorable said, I think for now, this other part, unless the electoral bill become law, cannot be challenged in the Supreme Court. But I think there should be a second challenge because like you said, when it was challenged at the Supreme Court ruling was very clear that Gambians abroad can register and vote in all national elections, including referendum, presidential, national assembly, and local government elections. So this is clear. And then the Justice Minister, who is so terrible, who lacks the integrity to mount that person, knows this very well. He is a lawyer. He's not a dull lawyer. He's not a stupid lawyer. He's a very smart lawyer. He's just playing the game of battle. So what I will tell Gambians is that the fight needs to continue. Any day, by chance that National Assembly members adopt this bill into a law, civil society, people in the diaspora, let's test our judiciary one more time. Let's go to the Supreme Court and re-challenge this and make sure that it is put back in the law that diaspora, Gambians in the diaspora have a right to vote and to be voted for, and that right is unrestrictable, and then no so-called National Assembly member serving the interest of one individual should stop our right to vote and to be voted for. So that's going to be my word to Gambians.
But Amar, I mean, you said at the Supreme Court, But Bakar Bunyadabo have gone to Supreme Court and the Supreme Court has made a ruling. But Nyamasakunda, Supreme Court ye kujele rule. O kitio ye kujele rule jang. Nyamasakunda fumbe bimenkono ibuka songal ibuka tamandi. But yet still, Gambia doing baby daring. Because me jele jang. Kiti jele kiti jang, kiti jele meli alonko. Masakunda, I mean, luako, Masakunda nyataka molu jo jang. Eboita molu kanjan he japenkan. Lua kitio te obela, but you must akunda ko be ignore. But yet still Gambia doing katara silence.
So that's the thing, Songo. I think the Gambia doing sometimes mfangola bata bunda ni timbale ambelare kam fangola kake. Yajele, if a ruling is made, Mansakunda yal neko that ruling is made, and then that also comes to the separation of power. I am not a legal personnel. I don't know to what extent the Supreme Court makes sure that their rulings are respected, and then also their rulings are implemented by the executive arm of government. But I think just making ruling and listening to the government without other accountability measures is one of the problems that we need to solve, and that includes National Assembly and the judiciary collaborating to make sure that we don't just have rulings to say, okay, we are testing the judiciary, okay, the Supreme Court, our high courts are doing very good job, but now there is no very good job until the job is completed. So now we need to do a paradigm shift, not just to seek for the valid of the court, but to make sure that the implementations are done. Now make sure that the Banku Dingul and in the other arms of the government, the Supreme Court rule, now make sure that I implement to the last dot, otherwise we take this case and demand for accountability.
Yes. I think this is exactly left like a diamond to me, because I mean Supreme Court have many rulings like a young. But at the end of it, Omar, into the Banku Dingul, especially the youths of this country. Into less letter Mansakundala, into Lenina Tako, into Laka Mansakunda Cindy. Into Lenina Tako, until we are 60% of the population of this country. But until funding to the Fisalta. But until funding to la Malla, until le Nyamambo. Banku dolla dunia kono ebitaka nyame. Nyagele the power of the youth in Senegal. Nyagele the power of the youth in Burkina Faso. Nyagele the power of youth in other countries many along be they are developing. But the funding will be. Yes.
Sonko Mekundu, I want to make one reference to all the countries they went through terrible governance system like the Gambia is going through. Ballot box Mafalinde. Accountability, civil disobedience. Civil disobedience, taking the streets, taking any other mechanism as aggressive as they will listen to us by force or by willingness is what changed Senegal, is what changed Burkina Faso, is what changed any other place. South Korea, if you read the history of South Korea in the 1980s, and you see how progressive they are today, they did not sleep in their universities as young people, in their ghettos as young people. They protested against the system they are enjoying today. And until Gambian young people and Gambians believe that taking the streets, making sure that accountability and transparency is everybody's business, will continue to be played by selfish, lack of respect, lack of integrity leaders like Dauda Jallo, Adama Barrow, and all the parliamentarians that voted against this bill today. We must take the streets. We must make sure that civil disobedience is the way forward. If our ballot box cannot make us change, if our talking cannot make us change, let's hold them accountable in the hardest way.
Thank you so much. That is Omar Saibo Kamara. Omar Mbafole Abarakabake, and inshallah we will be having this discussion here in this Ramadan. Be many young kata sotla jana nyun sunkaro kono ning Gambian kol be kachala meli alon ko elafta muliela voice on moy Mbafole Omar Abarakabake for being here with us. We will create another time. This is going to be a program me alon ko Mbakele till the end of Ramadan. Talk to our members of the parliament. Wolen kakachaso ninna dibitol melialon ko be sirin dibite bunkono. Aning na civil society members all na funding kol melialon ko. Ibe kafol kono kafol melialon ko. Ika society la fasa, ika mol le fasa. Mbe katolo kala pru niye si niye kachaja. Amanke politiki kachati. Bana mu kachal di kacha melialon ko. Benne banko sokla no nyaming benne nyanto sokla no nyaming funding kewol be la sembo suntela no nyaming banko la doko la karola oto Omar Mbafole Abarakabake for being with us here. And the final message is good coming from Honorable Molamin Sise. Honorable Molamin Sise, Ibn Fejang, thank you very much for being our first guest. Talk to our names. Honorable Left Drong, ila final message to ila kuma kallabon kata Gambia diwul kan ila kuma kallabon kata member of parliament mol ya lon ko be sirin député bun kono anu Gambian ko lekeje bar ila kuma kallabon kata man sekunda kan bar ila final word kata ka fole ko ya lon ko wala le bulodum o lake bulodum ka adama baro man sekunda fasa ayatara man sekunda nyin amantara ka banku dungul la nyanto dila. What is your final take?
Taka sonko baraka bake katum fele mura jomen kan kantum bin tinya da parliament di amola ite fana muta jambota anoda interview lela o interview fana is about the same issue. It was very tense. Ite fana muta jam for almost 2 hours. So but anyway banku ko fana mo beti anyway ndol funding ko kuma ali ay tan nyame be fola banku ni wala nyiti ko nte ay tan ni journal ko banku funding ko nte jiklate da journal because ndol funding ko me alon ko bi ni voting pattern in the parliament many vote against this 80% of them are funding ko mo tan say kabo kemo ko na be funding ko so funding ko who are the youth say very bold la I have no much trust in much of them. Those who are involved in political affairs, in governance issues, most of them are very myopic. Most of them are very short-sighted and self-centered. So who are those youths that we think will go out there on the street and revolt against misgovernance and revolt against, and tell the government that you cannot continue to misgovern us? Who are those youths? Let people go out in numbers because President Barrow has demonstrated that amantara nyim banko marakam banko dingol lastanya ala nyame and atabe parliament use kan pourquoi afan kunna ka fan kandi ani member tankala ana dandan na few molu ana dimbayal wala matela long kam bloat. So Banco Molia rights totally to change that. I'm not speaking contrary to what Mr. Saigo has just talked about, Mr. Kamara. Of course we can revolt, but the most easiest and the better and the fastest way to change this government today is for Gambians to go out in numbers and vote President Barrow out. There are Gambians who voted in President Barrow and they never wanted him. But why do they? Very petty things cause them to do that. Why would they do that? Why would you sacrifice that for? And those people today sit with me and complain that had they known, they would have never voted him in. So once we have all known that one, the only way to change it, Gambians Umar Albe Bantalale. But after the Masembe election, he wanted but Masembe Menketaje Yamuele. I went all out there, I staked my life, I bet my life, even my parliamentary seat, I said it on record, that I either be impeached or lost my parliamentary seat than allowing the NPP to win that Masembe seat. And I did it, including other people who joined us to do that one. We all have the power and the voice to do that. If we don't have the money in our pocket and the military behind us, but we have the power to go out there to the people, to stake our life and talk to people and tell them that this is what these people are doing, and this is the kind of people they are. When I went there, MPP era force meeting mol me ya lonko wale nyum banko kumbandi ilafta NP ilafta murna mol ka yo mo kilol yemedi kumbandi pour que sondo mo sunya. When I went there, I spoke to them. When I spoke to them in that 20 minutes deliberation, it causes damage that they struggle to fix in the entire campaign period. They could not fix up. And we all have the power to do that one. And I stake my life as a member of parliament. I sat there to guide a ballot box as a polling agent. At the counting stage, I stepped on my box and I went inside, carried my box and counted. I make sure that my votes are protected after that difficult campaign period. We can go out there and do this and vote this government out. Nakate kesol benna jifolo kono banku dingol nyanta kawle lon kola nyantol bet nyakan diaspora nyanta kawle kola nyantol bet la nyakan nimme mannano ka carte o fay mol be nyim banko kan alkela karambol jo alke jara alka kolol siye alkela nyantol alke danyini walla ka carte wol sike ikadi nyim molla ali commandi telephone ta ali ay tandi lako nyim molu manke molti men ya lonko I jarta pour ka banko dila. Of course we change this government in 2026. Wallahi, to change this government in 2026 does not take anybody to go out there on the street. Billahi wallahi. It takes a little to do that. Today's action alone should let Gambians to go out to referendum to say we want President Barrow to come down next week, and he come down. Today's action alone, Nazareth, we have a vibrant parliament, a parliament that is seeing the interests of the country. Because I will talk like that, because majority carried vote in parliament. If we have that parliament, that vibrant parliament, should be able to impeach the president tomorrow. But would they do that? But we can change this at the vote. Gambians are very much informed today. That I was meant to know that at this Masembe election. Gambians are informed, and our politics is moving to another developed direction. So we should embrace that one and make the best use of that opportunity. Pour kajeko nyimman sakunda ngabondi nyato ni election menkana. Nali mawoke. Mansakundale me alon ko atene tajirin tiada katambi ya jamela mansakundal. Nali mawoke. The Spintala street o kanne ebe lifalale ye call kanne at the end of the day mol be Spintala many ya lonko ike sondomol sunya kadales keme kilindi la droita e kadro fay they vote them in the office again. But how them will me alonko asembo wata bakele. Come Ahmad Jite kam mem for mole. I'm not trying to repeat that. Bari ntela mini fana sembeten na naful tembulu mensa tenko bari nanyi nen kolomol ka konya ke fo mole andu kiangol kamoyle andu njika ni ke sonko diamu ta badi ko badi ko kol bamoyle andu njika ni Umar diamu ta bansan kol bamoyle anybody talk somewhere bamoyle because tinyaro membe keri mobe yalon. Let's go out there and do that and change this government. Now let's put them for the Gambian Kole as a member of parliament.
Thank you so much, Honorable Lamin Sise. Thank you so much, Mr. Omar Saibu Kamara. Ñul be mu Gambia funding kewoleti, ñul mu moleti melia lonko. I mean, ibe loring Gambia le fe. Oto mbafule ko ala baraka bake. Interview le melia lonko bilam drong. Yes, Honorable. Interview le melia lonko bilam drong. Nani interview nying. Bilam na schedule anu afenenta keta, and I believe more level la moy kanjang right now mo me nyim program moji because me part 2 already asiata bake mbafala mo le ko be here with us ninna members of parliament sol be kachala ninna civil society members sol be kachala andung me men kachala drong abekele bankola quality. It's time pour Gambia funding ko le pare nale ajibe Uganda Bobin Wine anala molu bi wolbe men taki kan street o kan ntol bim mantro take kan oto neatara the people or the youngsters in Uganda neatara bi wolman sila Museveni na lawo gyorho be ifindita ka Bobin Wine support ifindita ke la kan fintindi ka sembo fo Gambia ila mole mina ya tinna ndol Gambia fon ninkewlu mbekala mbesonna ka mabo naranda koto mbesonna katara kumbolan sisokono annu ayatara sembo be mbulu nyonya za fintino banta nyamin kanna dissatisfaction on yinta ka tandi nyim masa kundala mantra kake. But the likes of Omar Saibo Kamara funding kewla nyinde me yalonko, I really admire him because mole me yalonko ala long kamu menti nyim banko kan wallahi amanga coming na mantra party killing is a civil society member la mata mantra politique kono bari funding kewla nyinde me yalonko ay nyim banko lafile funding kewla nyinde me yalonko ay nyim banko kanula andung ndeba media mu la Gambian Kole the likes of Omar Saibo ñulle multimillion ko ñent ke kina député bu kono the likes of Lamin Cissé ñulle multimillion ko ñent ke kina député bu kono katung ila lon kawo ka ke med wala ñundi ko Gambian ko lefta menna oto mbafulale ko ala barka bake. Thank you very much for being here with us until another time again. Ala barka bake, thank you so much nkondanda bake mulmel yalon ko alben jibe kan right now mbafulale fone ko ala barka bake mulmel yalon ko man programme sia al se programme Muinsia, Ebajalo ko alla friends sol melialongo Ebala woloto, they can also come across such an important program. Be nakajaka de mindi wolo nyundiko. Ka Gambia funding kewlu, ka Gambia dum melialongo be sirin Gambia bantala. Tumala melialongo NPP Adama Barrow, another minister of justice, Menkata Dauda Jalloti, another debitol melialongo NPP debitol, aning Ahmad Bal debitol melialongo lem NRP debitol, aning independent melialongo yela mol nene kotul mank NPP de kabdeka katra faye lum kola etron inataka ila mol jamfa Adama Baroma wa aning dibitol melialonko ibin nota alliance le APRC iketa multi melialonko ikoto montara masakunda kam bar nying bilo membe ko nyim bilo yemira bi foñi dingo jelle multi melialonko wala be sirin diaspora yemira bi mol jelle be to lotto ko melialonko be sirin diaspora yes
foñi dibitol nangela dalilo foy wala même fo am apologizing because nganna fayna remark kele because nga almami jela constitution sika 1997 constitution because ya jamele ni la plan solo ni pour que diaspora deny from participating in our national politics. So, quand même pour le ko ya jamel constitution to do protect ka. You understand? Ya jamel constitution to do protect ka. La ja almame ka la jamel constitution ka. Ata wala itandi so itol so mo frendi ya jamel bula do ko nyim banko kan. Na tara Gambia no parité pour ko falindoro nyim mol wol man pare wala. You understand? So wala kete la load lati.
Asa abako foñi dibitol itol ko bari memen ni ya jambe Gambia dingul bal ka kartaw fay melialon ko be sirim bantala bari bi foñi dingu jelle be sirim banta bi Gambia dingu jelle be sirim banta bari ya jambe ku jelle be ya jambe ko suno ko
That is a critical point. Let's discuss that next session.
anyway, thank you so much, Honorable Abaraka Bake. I think me Malibula for now, and so that I can do my fine. Omar Abaraka Bake, thank you for being here with us. Thank you so much. Thank you. Mbadimulu Albeo Moynyola, Wolemu Omar Saibo Kamara, and Honorable Modlamin Sise, Kian West la Dibito. Kian Tligio Dibito, Mbafole ko ala baraka bake, tumana me ya lonko altertan fejang, be diamla Gambia dungole me ya lonko benji be kanteng al senyim programme sia, and inshallah be katokela, ning Dibito be diamla no nyameng, ning mol ya lonko me ya lonko Gambia fon ning kewolem ni be diamla no nyameng, be lafila puruk nim mole diamu Gambia dungole be banta, and melbe sirin jang, be nyo sensitize la nyadile. Pour ka je ko be sen right long sen salong baro masakunda be mbaliga menna oto ala baraka bake for being here with me today andung mbafala momo yalon ko benji be kan isenye programme sia iba yala mol mel yalon ko wolle be la Facebook friends holdi they can also listen to this program. It's a program yalon ko it will be coming every day inshallah na bada ala bala abakalla start la 10 o'clock you know shoot wala abakalla start la wala na hamu nyinati avec la 2 hours programme multi don bafula le ko ala barka bake atol mil yalon ko almam follow please mal dan pour al sem follow ibaje la ko nalem follow nanyim programme me yalon ko na start and talks to our names, talks to our executives, talk to important figures in our country ibaje la ko programme nyi akane dam don bafula le ko ala barka bake. Thanks for being with us here anal bani malam Sirvo Sonko aka Bayo Sonko Gambia. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala barakatuh. I know there are other people may have to join program on you, but because of time, we cannot join you guys. But Sama, inshallah, we'll hope to start it at 10 a.m., 10 p.m. Be lanul yella for Milan will have to call ke. Be lanul yella 11:30, 11:30, inshallah. Be lanul yella 30 minutes. Prundi more for the Milan ko be bantala. Another topic will come tomorrow. Cool Milan ko. Hopefully Sama. As kenon be Honorable Suleiman Sao sotla ja on Honorable Mali Sise no tan be kacala kol mel yalango Gambia dingol sulo de kawolle moy ala baraka bake anal balima Sirvo Sonko. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ramadan Mubarak, Ramadan Karim.